little artists! Are you ready to draw something fun and colorful today? Let's create a rectangle rainbow poppet toy together. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. First, let's draw a big rectangle in the middle of our paper. This will be the main shape of our poppet toy. Now, divide the rectangle into 6 equal parts by drawing 5 horizontal lines across it. These sections will hold our poppet bubbles. Great! Wow! Next, let's fill each section with small circles. These will be our poppet bubbles. Draw them evenly spaced in each section. Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to bring our poppet toy to life with some bright rainbow colors. Here are our color pens. Purple color for the top section. Wow! Blue color for the next section. Color for the middle section. Awesome! Yellow color for the next section. Orange color for the next section. Cool! Red color for the bottom section. Wow! Our poppet toy looks fantastic with all these beautiful colors. Great work! Hey, little artist! Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute watermelon slice. Are you ready to get started? Grab your markers, and let's begin. First, let's start by drawing a big D-shaped half circle in the middle of the page. This will be the shape of our watermelon slice. Perfect! Now, let's draw 2 more half circles inside the first one. These will create the layers of the watermelon, the skin, the white part, and the yummy red fruit. Awesome! Now, let's give our watermelon slice some personality. Let's draw 2 big, cute eyes right in the middle. And of course, we need a smile. Let's add a silly, happy mouth. Look how adorable our watermelon slice is already. But wait, it's missing something. Let's add some seeds scattered all around the slice. Our drawing is complete. Isn't it looking great? Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look at that! Our watermelon slice is dancing and smiling. It looks so cute! Now it's time to add some fun colors to make it even more exciting. Let's start with the pink color for the inside of our watermelon.
La da 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 dee. Do 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 do.
Now, let's use green color for the inner part of the skin. And for the next layer, we'll use bottle green color. Next, we're going to use red color. Wow! Let's use brown color for the seeds to make them pop. And finally, let's add a touch of blue color to the eyes to make them shine. Wow! Look at our colorful and happy watermelon slice. Yay! It's looking fantastic. Amazing job, little artists. Our cute watermelon slice is ready to be enjoyed. Keep practicing and drawing more fun things. I can't wait to see what you create next. Thanks for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.